This is Extreme Rail Fan, Redwood Empire Corporation, CEO coming to you from home base. As you guys see now on your screen, HR's Railroad Days 2025, September 27th and 28th, from 10 to 6 on Saturday, Sunday 10 to 2. It'll be in the yards where the roundhouse is, and we'll be seeing you guys there. Extreme Rail Fan Redwood Empire Corporation will be on site with the booth, promoting the Jane Marie. So help us get the car here. Stop by our booth, come say hi to us. It'll be me, my vice president, and our fundraiser overseer, who'll be helping us. We'll have some of our shirts that are on display that you can buy. Well, not anymore. I don't think some of them are on the store anymore. So I'd have to look and see, but we have some available. And if you're interested, we'll bring, if we can get the stuff we have sold, we'll bring back some of the other stuff in time. That way you guys can buy it. But yeah, no, let's get the Jane Marie home in a timely manner. Then that way we'll be able to have the car behind 29-26 for events and stuff. Because in that way it helps not only us, but it will help 29-26 to have rail cars behind it. So we look forward to seeing everyone there. And we're slowly bringing some of the merch that we took off back. I am going to bring some back so that way we have it. So most of the shirts, if you guys were wondering if we took off, are back. So we do have them now back on the store. I just brought them back. So come and get your merch today over at the Bonfire store. We have shirts available. We have mugs. We have water bottles. We have everything you need over on our Bonfire store. And nowadays, our Bonfire is linked to our GoFundMe, so that way it helps. So come and buy your stuff today. Come get what we have to offer, and please support us because we need to get the cars here. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see everyone for Railroad Days.